friends, I tried to upload this video yesterday, but the file is too large and I couldn't upload. Whole day I spent and I recorded twice also, but it didn't happen. So I'm uploading the file number 2 and 3 in this video, and sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you. Whoever chose this blue and green heart, this reading is for them. Let's see who will the file number 2 marry. Who will marry pile number 2? Who will marry pile number 2? Who is the future spouse of pile number 2? Who will be the future spouse of pile number 2? Who will be the future spouse of pile number 2? Who will be the future spouse of pile number 2? Who will they marry? Who will they marry? Who will they marry? Who will they marry? All are falling. Okay. Who will they marry? One more card. One more card, angels. Please give us some clarity. One more card. Okay. 3 of Cups. Okay, see here I can see the signs of your person, whomever you are dealing with, or whoever will be your future spouse. He might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can see lot of Cups energy here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I can see all these signs. Okay, then I can see that this person is very much bachelor right now. This person is not involved with any other connection or anything else. So this person is definitely want to come towards you, whoever this person is. And I can see here some synchronicity also, like 4 is there, 6 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. So some 3, 5, 6, then Ace of Cups means 1. Okay. Then this person is right now is currently sad. If you are, this reading goes 2 ways, friends. If you know this person already, so and I can see that this person is not in communication with you. This person is regretting. This person is feeling sad. This person, something happened between you. You both stopped talking towards to each other. No communication. You both are not texting or calling. And also I can see that this person lives far away from you, not nearby, like another city, because this person want to cross the water and come towards you. So I can definitely feel that this person is a long distance relationship, maybe another city, another state, or another country. So this person is feeling very, very sad, maybe because of this worldly situation, because of the pandemic. This person can't come towards you. Then this person always thinking about you, like feeling sad, painful, always obsessively thinking. He is not able to find any idea to come towards you. How to approach you is his main thinking. Okay, this person want to come towards you, but whatever happened in the past between you, this person is afraid, like he's feeling sad. He's not having any idea how to come towards you, how to contact you. Maybe this person is having little bit ego also. I can't see anyway, I can't see that kind of a card here, but this person is feeling hesitant to come towards you. But because of this separation, because of this pain, definitely this person want to take an action with Knight of Pentacles. So this person now, he wants to come towards you, but still it is very, very slow moving energy. Earth signs means it is very, very slow moving energy, but earth signs are very loyal, trustworthy, stable, and this person want to come towards you, take some action, but still the horse, you can see this horse is not moving. Okay, this horse is stand still. So this person is thinking only, thinking to take action. But the planning is going on right now. So at the moment, he is not ready to come towards you, run and come towards you. But definitely, he is planning to take some action, come towards you with a gift, come towards you with an offer. Okay, and this person feels very very attracted towards you. Ace of Cups means he wants a new beginning in this connection, and he feels overflowing love towards you. He feels that this is divinely connected, divinely guided connection, because you can see the hand is coming out of universe and holding the cup, and cup is overflowing. So this all shows that this person is having lot of love towards you, and this person is not expressed this to you as of now. Okay, so you both have not exchanged the feelings towards each other. Might be for some of you, I'm telling, some of you maybe didn't express your feelings to each other, and maybe you both didn't what you say, you didn't have proper communication. Maybe this is on and off, no heart to heart conversation didn't happen. Okay, because maybe this is a long distance relationship, or you may be only exchanging texts or like calls, like social media. This person face to face connection, contact, or heart to heart conversation didn't happen for some of you. Okay, so now this person want to come towards you with the Ace of Cups. He want to offer you a cup of love. Not only that, but this person want to offer you a stable commitment with the Six of Wands. Six of Wands, you can see that this is kind of a really Indian wedding. You can see this person is coming towards you with the friends, family, so many people. Then he is coming on a horse. So this definitely indicates the wedding. Okay, so this person, he wants to come towards you. This person want to make it public. Okay, so till now maybe his feelings are hidden, or your connection is hidden. Nobody knows about your connection. So now this person want to come towards you, and he want to have an official. He want to take a step to have official connection between you both. Okay, and Six of Wands is a victory card. He wants to have a victory in this connection. So this person want to come towards you, and he is afraid of the fear of he is having a fear of rejection. But this person want to have a victory in this connection after the engagement. I feel that this card shows the engagement. This is engagement card. Six of Wands, lot of passion is there. Wands means it is a passion, physical attraction. Okay, so lot of attraction is there for you. Okay, this person want to come towards you. Maybe some engagement he'll offer. Then after that he want to celebrate. I can see that this you both have some mutual friends also. So this person want to celebrate with you and friends. Okay, so after this engagement he want to have a celebration with friends, and he want to spend time with you. He wants to have a celebration with you. So this is a very very positive reading. I can feel pile number 2. Whoever chose the pile number 2, they are very very lucky, I feel. So everything is happening as per your wish. Okay, right now this person is sad because you both are separated, but definitely this person will take action. Now first we will take the guidance card, and we will see the time frame when he can come towards you. We will see. Okay, so let's see what angels want to guide. Please give us one guidance card, angels, spirit guides. Please give us some guidance in this connection. Why this person is not moving fast towards the pile number 2? When this marriage will happen? Please give us some guidance. Please give us some clarity. Please give us some clarity. Okay, the Fool. That means this person want to take a risk, because I feel that this person or you both don't know each other that well. Okay, as I told you already, this might be long distance relationship, or you might be communicating online. Okay, so you both don't know each other that well. Okay, not you don't know his family, or he doesn't know your family, but this person want to take a step. ahead, because this person is not able to stay away from you, so this person want to take a step ahead. This is Fool. The Fool card means without any thinking or planning, this person want to come towards you, want to take a step blindly. He is keeping all the faith on God and universe. However it happens, let it happen, but I want to be with this person. Let society say anything, let my family say anything, let friends say anything, but I want to be with this person. He want to take a leap of faith. He want to take a bold step in this connection. So it's a very, very positive card in regards to the taking an action. Okay, so this person will take an action soon. So let's see the time frame when this person will take an action, and when this person will come towards pile number 2, and when they will have marriage, possible marriage or engagement or anything. Okay, this is 7. 7 means 6 plus 1, 7. So that means this person is planning to come towards you next month, in the month of July. Okay, then this can be 7 weeks or 7 months. Okay, so I feel that strongly this person want to come, because the Fool card came. The Fool card came means this process will be little faster. So the 7 also came. That means next month, in the month of July, definitely this person will communicate with you. Okay, I don't think that this person directly will express his love or like propose you or something like that. First he will start slowly. Hi, hello, how are you? So light communication he will start. Then slowly he will open up. Okay, slowly he will express his feelings. Let's see his messages. What are the messages for pile number 2? What are the messages for pile number 2? What are the messages this person want to give for pile number 2? What are the pile number 2's person's messages? Please give us some guidance. Okay. I told you, this distance is killing me. I told you this person is away from you. So this person now, he can't do anything because of the corona, quarantine, lockdown. So this person is not able to come towards you because of 5 of Cups. He is very, very sad and painful. He is not able to stay away from you. So this person is telling that this distance is killing me. So now I have thought of taking a trip with you. Maybe this person have already told you, if you are in communication, this person want to take a trip with you. Maybe he want to take you somewhere to spend some time alone with you, to understand you, because you both don't know each other that well. So this person want to communicate. Maybe this person is your friend also, but this person want to know more about you. You don't know each other, so he wants to take a trip with you. I want to reach out, but I am afraid. Even this also I told you already. So this person want to communicate with you, but this person is afraid. How you will take it? Fear of rejection. This person feels that how you will respond, how you will react. Something happened in between you. You stopped communicating. Maybe you blocked this person or that person blocked you. So your energies are not very open. So this person is a little bit afraid that what you will say. But this person is not able to resist his urge to come towards you, because he's feeling lot of Cups energy. He's having lot of emotions, feelings towards you. He want to stay with you. He want to celebrate. So this person will come towards you. Let's see the initials. Okay, I can see here C. Then I have U. I have X, I have T, then F, Y, G, R and K. Okay, so this person might be having these alphabets. Maybe in his first name, middle name or last name. You can see how it resonates. Let me know in the comments box, children. Let me know in the comment box, friends. If it resonates, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. See you in the next reading with another topic. Till then, bye.